Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Ang ituturo ko naman ngayong araw nito ay ang G sus4 or G suspended fourth. G suspended fourth. So paano ko siya ituturo ulit? Again, here's my guitar. Then next, ang inyong index finger, ilalagay nyo siya dito sa 3rd fret ng strings mula 6th string hanggang 1st string. So you can see. Yan dyan. Then, next, ang inyong middle finger, ang inyong ring finger, at ang inyong pinky finger, ilalagay nyo naman siya dito sa 5th fret mula 5th string hanggang 3rd string din. As you can see. Just like nung tinuro ko nung kanina, yung F suspended 4, dito siya nakalagay. Pero, inurong mo lang siya dito hanggang sa 3rd fret. Inurong mo lang siya hanggang 3rd fret. So ngayon, this is a G sus4 or G suspended fourth. Medyo mahirap i-flat, pero keep on practicing lang. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel para mas makapanood pa kayo ng mga guitar chords for the beginners.